All right, y'all, this is pretty much the place that made me, the place that got me started fishing. This is where it all started. Since I was small, tiny. And the best bait in here has always been a black zoom worm. No matter what the circumstances was, it could be 10 degrees out here and a black rubber worm was still black zoom worm. Always do the job. And I know one's oh I told y'all, black zoom worm right here at the end of it. I got him about right here by this tree. Ain't gonna be able to do too much with a there he goes. There he is. There we go. That's a nice one too. Choked it, buddy. Choked it. Come here, big girl. Oh yeah. Told you, black zoom worm. It's always been my go-to. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, baby girl. Get on out there. That's one of the best things when you're using a rubber worm, weedless. You can make that bad daddy go through anything. You can run it through some of the worst parts like stumps and logs and anything. I mean, as long as you got that hook tucked inside that rubber worm, you're good to go. So see how that hook came out right here? What I'm gonna do is just pull back a little bit and ride it on top of it just like that. So now it's weedless. It ain't gonna There it is. A little one. Something about them black zoom worms, they can't stand them. Yeah. Boom. Oh, golly, y'all. Throw it right up under that bad daddy. I don't know how I didn't hang him. There we go. Now, he didn't feel that hook. There he is. Ooh. Got the old Nazi. Oh, God. Gotta set this drag a little bit. Oh, my God. That's a whole stir, baby. Woo! I haven't caught one that big in a minute. Look at her, y'all. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Chumped her. All right, big girl. Thank you. I needed that. All right, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in. It's been a good little quick run. I got to make it on back to the house. But if anything, please like, subscribe, share it. Might give y'all a little information on, you know, what'd be the best thing to use. This was clear water, overcast, raining good a little bit. Produced out fish pretty good, so Till next time, Jungle Vulture out.